Pops, can you get a whoop whoop and a whoop? Oh, Unc back on the scene though. I guess you gotta catch Unc when he needs some money.
Yeah, y'all catch me on broke.
That's when he'll work on some shows. We got some more work for you to do.
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the tires bust. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. Riding around town like Grand Theft Auto. I came over to collect some money over here, man. It's like we're in the middle of tax season, right? Note to self, man. Hey, it's crazy. Everyone just got money out here, just ready to spend money left and right, hand over fist. Everyone got rims. What is this? What ugly ass looking at? There's a lot of characters around these parts of town. Man. What up, Pops? What up? What up? Oh, you took a shave? Shaved up, man. Oh, you fresh. Where Tyrese at?
I don't know.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I don't want no more cars no more.
You want this?
We all want this. Cause I can drive it all day now. Keep my truck, I want to drive it. Just a giveaway.
You giving that away?
Yeah.
Alright,
I
Pops.
want that mid ride.
I bet you gonna keep this, lowered it down.
No,
Throw
don't get me
some.
wrong. I might ride it right now. It's a nice car. It's just a giveaway.
Look at the wheels. Let's see they Pops.
Oh, that truck, man. You
Are the tires kind of low?
Man.
That's kind
I
of
keep
low.
on thinking it is.
That's low. Get that fixed.
Do it look low to you?
That one do.
Keep looking low to me.
Man, low.
When you step back, they don't look alike.
Tell me you want like. It probably. Oh, it don't look that low, man. I don't know. I'll go check them though. He over there sleeping under the car.
Huh?
You sleeping under the car?
I was
Just nodding off.
Hey, this is the first time I've been quiet.
Taking a nap, ain't you?
No,
Yeah. You taking a nap. You taking a goddamn nap.
He said that's the first time he been quiet.
He know everything.
He never quiet about shit.
No, he quiet because he listen to everything.
Hey, dude, this been nothing but dogs and hooting and hollering around here.
Got three.
Bitch him up. Oh, man.
I got three.
I don't give a fuck. You know what you?
What up, Rusty? What up? Back up. Go. Go. Rusty. What? What? Go outside. Get outside. Go outside, Rusty. Come. Pops, can you get a whoop whoop and a whoop? Your hair just got done?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah,
I told him he needed to get his hair done.
yeah, well, me and him, man, I ain't tired up or nothing. It's been like 3 years, yeah.
Oh, when you get it done?
Just right now.
That's what I was on.
She was ain't getting her done when we was out there talking.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, yeah, I keep my done every month.
Hell yeah,
I
Pops.
got my own routine. When she off, I go get my shit whipped done. I keep my hair done. I like my hair done.
Just ain't hard.
You already know
When I
that.
seen, I was like, "Go ahead, get your hair."
Yeah.
Like,
Huh?
Already.
Already. Pops.
Yeah, I'm about to make this move real quick.
Pops a wild boy.
what you gonna buy?
Pops a wild boy.
Loves to record in everyone else's house but his own. Get that damn right.
I don't know, guys. Unc worked too fast. I don't know. You work too fast, Unc. I don't know if it's done.
That's what a broke fella do.
Oh, stop with them lies, man.
Broke motherfucker can't be playing. I broke motherfucker.
I tried to go get my Chevelle. Motherfucker dead as a doornail. The jump box was like, I guess, I don't know. I think the jump box I'm about to give me another battery. Oh yeah, that's what I was talking about. No, there's nothing wrong with this, man. I didn't know that it was painted. Like, you could tell it been painted. That's what I was just saying.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe this whole car was painted. But this part right here, this part.
Yeah, you need a mirror, man.
Now look like the same one, huh?
But about your mirror, man. About your mirror, man. Quit bullshitting. About your mirror. You know, I can't tell you what to do, though, you know.
All right, I'm about to buy that mirror. You said, how much you want for it?
$100, man.
God damn, that's how much they cost?
Nah, they cost more than that. You want me to go get my phone and look it up for you?
Shit, they do?
Hell yeah.
How much
want
you
me
say?
to Shit.
I believe you. How much you? Nah, I believe you. Nah.
Because once I look it up, you know, price go up.
Nah, fuck
If
that.
it's cheaper, then
Nah.
we go down, you know.
They really go for that damn much?
Shit. Them motherfucking mirrors high as hell.
How much did you say they was?
About
That's a-
$300 motherfucking dollars
Oh,
for the
shit.
open right glass.
Nah,
man.
don't look
And
that.
then you gotta figure out which one and all of that. And
Nah, that one's already black. Off a black car.
yeah. So you get
Yeah, because that one, every time I look like, did someone move my mirror? That shit flapping
you got
that
the
way.
nails already black. Shit, I should go with this because of the
Let's hear this thing, man. I can't believe this thing would sound like a damn tractor.
I don't know, key in the flow.
Let's hear y'all. Y'all think Unc working magic?
I don't know nothing, man. I don't know how to fuck with these guys, man. Y'all shouldn't don't take your shit over there to Unc. He don't know what he doing.
Well, Unc ain't. Oh, Unc back on the scene though. I guess.
Unc don't know what he
You gotta catch Unc when he needs some money.
Yeah, y'all catch me when I'm broke.
That's when he'll work on some shit. Oh, we got some more work for you to do.
Catch me when I'm broke.
Oh yeah.
When I'm broke.
Hell yeah. Was it that difficult? Like sitting?
I had put that motherfucker on in the back, and I went to plug the oxygen sensors up, and the damn plugs was different. I was like, dang.
But as far as like hooking up everything, it was
Everything
pretty.
was still, everything was
pretty
great.
basic.
Just them damn oxygen sensors. It just so happened I had took the 4 oxygen
You got that
sensors
one.
out there.
How you reach that one from the top?
Go from the top, yeah, or here, and then you have to borrow that motherfucker back here. You have to go to the bottom.
Sound
That's
good.
when I said I don't know how.
They took a good running car and just tear up
I don't know
stuff.
how they cut that motherfucker up. Because like I say, ain't no room.
Yeah.
But you know, thieves and
They
motherfuckers
know
that's
some
on them
stuff.
drugs and shit,
They'll
man.
figure out a way.
Motherfucker, get your shit and get
I'm gonna have to get that. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to get that mirror off you. But that mirror same just like I did with the
that motherfucker, I guess. I don't know. I ain't looked at it like that.
I mean like the Malibu to change it.
Yeah, same
Just,
shit.
just pop this back,
That little black piece back.
pop this back, and
Get
plug
at
it
it.
in there.
Piece of cake. Easy money.
I'm like, bet that.
Easy money, man. I don't know, man. Somebody's supposed to be meeting me about the fucking truck and shit.
Yeah. Let me go ahead and get that mirror off you while you got that gate open. Yeah, let me just go ahead and buy it. Yeah, Uncle be changing. You got this mirror flopping and shit. I gotta have that shit down there. There. The cheap side of me is like, leave it on there, but I need to be right, and I ain't mess around and try to sell this mirror. Somebody might want this mirror. That's what I'm about to do. Throw this mirror. What I'm about to do is buy that mirror if you throw this on there for $100. Hey, someone that don't have no mirror, like, yeah, the little toy one, it looked good enough. Oh, y'all better glue this thing down. Yeah, let me get Unc's money, man. I just,
Whoever had this guy smoking that damn weed.
yeah, the dude's son was in there smoking weed. I've been trying to get this damn smell out. Fact.
I thought that stuff you had.
No, I just got it. I didn't. The other stuff I got, I don't know. That's not the same kind though.
Yeah, y'all better catch me while I'm in the work mood because y'all know
What else I got? What else?
I'm subject to quit. You know? Cause I'll be telling Rod, man, you're a truck driver, man. Drive some trucks. Do this other stuff on the side. So maybe the same thing I'm telling him, I better go for it too.
Work on cars on the
Yeah,
side
we
for you.
gonna,
For you won't have to go so.
go raggedy cars.
And then you don't have to buy so many of them raggedy cars.
Buying so many of these after this.
He said, I'm about to switch this gas 20 at the beginning of the year. It's time to switch it up. Switch it up. So that Impala sounded good. You want to follow me
Well, you gotta go.
to my house?
Hey, this motherfucker trying to make me lose. Oh man,
What happened?
almost there. This dude saying he almost up here, man.
Oh, where?
Look at this little truck up the auto zone.
Oh, okay.
I can't lose that kind of money. Fuck around with you, lucky.
Oh, no.
Big money, man. Big money. Look at this big money. Lucky. Trying to stop me.
Oh.
I guess they know.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You say you were trying to sell something. I'm trying to sell something.
Trying to sell something.
All right, that's what I do. Just, is that car cool right here? Or what's up? Mother, just take this.
He said he almost hit. Let's see if we can get it. I'm gonna drive this one. I don't want to drive that one. I don't know them motherfuckers been smoking weed in that one. Motherfucker ain't get weed in there.
All right. What is it? All right, y'all. Let me go ahead and drop this car off at my house real quick. I just spray this stuff in. Yeah, man. Hey, before I came over, I already posted that Impala. So, all right, I'll holler at y'all in a minute. So, Uncle's on his way to go make some money. I don't know what I'm about to get into. Did we get that? Oh, we got this mirror too. Also, Uncle charged me $100 for this mirror. I'm like, come on with it. So, yeah, we got the mirror. Yeah. Y'all seen the other video when I first dropped the Impala off. Actually, this is the third video I did today. So, with that being said, that Impala. Toe up. It look like my little sister in that thing. Toe up. Hit from all angles. But yeah, so we're gonna be getting this little, we got the little side mirror. I don't know, I'm down the wrong street. Alright, I'll let y'all in a little bit, let's get it.
Circles until the time's done.